How to give a rating. Once you've shared a journey, it would be fantastic if you could give your driver or passenger a rating. This helps to give other members an impression of the member they may share with. We do review ratings, so please do not use bad language. If we feel a rating has been unfairly given, we may investigate further and remove the rating. To leave a rating, first, log into your account. You will have an alert on your Liftshare profile dashboard if you have any outstanding ratings to give. Click the Ratings tab. Here, you can also check any outstanding ratings or ratings that you have given or received. Click Give Rating on the member you would like to rate. Now you can leave the member a star rating and leave a short explanation of your experience. To finish, click Rate.